Nanyang Goodway Machinery and Equipment Company Limited is National High-Tech Enterprise. Since 1991, Goodway focused on designing and providing a complete set of cassava flour and cassava starch processing lines for the clients. Here is the automatic cassava flour processing line equipment. Firstly, this is the washing section. It can ensure the washing rate more than 98% to improve the quality of finished flour. Then it is the peeling section. The peeler can remove the outer skin and inner thick layer, ensure a high peeling rate, and effectively reduce material loss. This is the grating section. The grater can crush cassava into uniform-sized paste. Then it is dewatering section. The presser can remove moisture to produce cassava cakes with 40 to 45% moisture content. This is the cake breaking section. The granulator can break pressed solid cakes into granulates. At last, it is the drying and sieving section. The flash dryer can do the drying of wet flour and output dried flour with moisture content less than 13% by principle of heat transfer exchange. Goodway ensured that all parts which contacted with cassava materials are made of stainless steel to meet requirement for hygiene and improve the quality of finished flour. Automatic control system is optional and can be adjusted based on actual situation and project budget. You are welcome to visit our factory in China. We can customize the cassava processing machines according to your requirements.